Welcome to Sri Lanka. Dive into an 8-day adventure filled with history, culture, nature, and unmatched hospitality. Let Lanka Safe Tours take you on a seamless journey through this tropical paradise. Your journey begins as you arrive at Bandaranaike International Airport. From here, our friendly guide will accompany you to Sigiriya. Along the way, enjoy scenic views of lush greenery and vibrant local life. Unwind at your 4-star hotel and prepare for the adventures ahead. Day 2 begins with a journey back in time to Polonnaruwa, Sri Lanka's medieval capital. Discover stunning stone carvings, royal palaces, and ancient Buddhist temples. In the afternoon, embark on an exciting safari at Minneriya National Park, famous for its large elephant gatherings. Witness these gentle giants in their natural habitat, a moment you'll never forget. Start your day with a climb up the Sigiriya rock fortress, often called the 8th wonder of the world. Marvel at its ancient frescoes and enjoy panoramic views from the summit. Next, visit the Dambulla Cave Temple, a sacred site that houses stunning ancient artwork. End the day by immersing yourself in Sri Lanka's rural charm at Hirawaduna. Enjoy bullock cart rides, meet friendly locals, and savor authentic Sri Lankan cuisine prepared just for you. Welcome to Kandy, the cultural capital of Sri Lanka. Begin with a visit to the sacred temple of the Tooth Relic, a spiritual icon for Buddhists worldwide. Immerse yourself in the lively traditions of Kandy, with a mesmerizing dance performance that celebrates Sri Lanka's rich cultural heritage. Stroll around the scenic Kandy Lake and explore bustling markets for local crafts and souvenirs. Day 5 takes you to Sri Lanka's misty hill country. Witness the cascading beauty of Ramboda Falls and visit a tea plantation to learn about Sri Lanka's world-famous Ceylon tea. Next, board the iconic train ride from Nuwara Eliya to Yala. This journey is hailed as one of the most scenic train rides in the world. Sit back, relax, and soak in the stunning landscapes. In Yala, start your day with a hike up Little Adams Peak. Breathe in the fresh mountain air and admire the awe-inspiring views. Then, visit the famous Nine Arch Bridge, an architectural marvel surrounded by dense jungle. In the afternoon, head to Yala National Park for an exhilarating safari. Keep an eye out for leopards, elephants, and an array of exotic wildlife. Discover the coastal charm of Galle, home to the iconic Galle Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through its cobblestone streets, dotted with quaint shops and cafes. Then, visit the stunning Coconut Tree Hill in Mirissa, a perfect spot for breathtaking views and sunsets. Relax by the beach and soak in the tropical vibes. After an unforgettable journey, we'll ensure you have a smooth transfer to the airport for your departure. Carry back memories of Sri Lanka's beauty, culture, and warm hospitality. Book your 8-day dream tour today with Lanka Safe Tours. Experience Sri Lanka like never before.